Namaste, we're at the NRI kitchen. My name is Katie and I'm going to be making a peanut butter and banana smoothie for you today.
Peanut butter, ice cubes, almond milk, 1 banana.
You're going to start by taking 1 banana and you can just break it in half and put it right into the blender. And then a spoon of peanut butter, this size. You can use your finger to get it off the spoon. You can do 2 if you want. And then you'll add some ice to make it nice and cold, and then some organic almond milk. Spilled a little bit. You can just add it until it looks like it's full. Enough for it to blend the liquid. Like that much. Or if you want, you can measure it with like a cup. See how much you want.